Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to change the body shell on a Nokia 6680, or restore or refurbish. I don't even know what the term is anymore because it's confusing. But yeah, I need to, well, looking at this through my phone looks like a face, but actually it's a sunset or sunrise. Anyway, I have the front and the back for the phone. I don't have the middle part. But I do have this phone with problems that has a good middle part. The paint is intact, almost. And I'll take the middle from that one, but the brains from this one. Selfie. Heh. And now the back. Yeah, annoying message, but it is what it is. Let's begin. Don't need this cracked back cover anymore. Yeah, I can just take it out like this. Still need to clean it though. There we go. So hard to remove these old body shells, man. Oh my god, it took me hours to take this apart. Sarcasm. Anyway. Here's the display and the frame. Also in here is the earpiece. Yeah. Oh. Is this how it is then? Push an extra careful not to damage something underneath it. Okay, no bug underneath it, that's a good thing. So the buttons and this frame, it's not that good, so I won't be keeping this. Now here's the internal battery, which is corroded, so I'm guessing it's not working anymore. The door, power button, voice commands button, and this is the main board. Oh, it had a memory card in. Alright, how many megabytes? 64. Huge. Let's go ahead and take this camera out. Can I take it out with no tools? Let's see. Yep, no tools. Yeah, this just requires a little cleaning. Now here. I have to take the loudspeaker out like this. Okay, ew, it needed to get out. Okay. That was it. It's not an antenna, it's just a... not splitter, how do you call this? It's like a cord. Yeah. Here's this thing that holds it in place, and this is the flash. Resembles the one on the E90. Now back to the antenna. Okay. Okay. What else? What else? Why is this thing like This is something interesting, but okay. This is the button for the camera. Vibration motor. A lot of parts here. Okay. Close here. Microphone out. Okay, what's next? This little thing. Okay, this is an antenna. Yeah, this, like I said, this thing is melted in place. I can't take it out. Well, I can, but it won't be pretty. So, out of curiosity, what is this? I'm guessing the door for the memory card holds in this when it's closed, you know. Yeah, I'll leave it like this because I won't be using this. I will be using this once. So, again, let me take this apart as well. Yeah, let's just skip this part. Almost. There we have it. Here we have the two frames that I'm gonna use. And they are very dirty. Anyway, I don't need these. Now I do wonder if this cleaning solution is still good that I used on my last phone. Maybe it will still be. Who knows? Let's make some foam. Yeah. Let this part from now. Clean these. To put all these parts in here. So I need to dust all of these and then clean them. Now let's see which of these buttons are looking better. Well, I can kind of already tell that let's compare them side by side, which one looks better. I think this one. Yeah, this one is less scratched. Keeping this. And I can see it from far that this one is less scratched. Okay, now for the memory card door. They're both kind of the same. This one kind of shines brighter, so yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot to clean. Yeah, let's get to this thing first. Hopefully the paint did not get attacked. Now it's foaming. Okay, now this solution got very dirty after I put this body shell in it. Which means that this one is the really dirty one. Okay, this is one part. Let's see the other. Right, I'll go to the sink to clean these and I'll be right back. And we're back. Let me clean this first. Did I have to put it on that? Well, this is how it looks now. I'm thinking of giving it a polish. I don't know. Nah, I'll leave it like this. Well, looks better than before. Well, I believe it's time to put it back together. So let's start with the back side. Wink. Loudspeaker. Check. Vibration motor. Check. Guy. Clicked in place. Check. Now, El microphone. Put it back in its housing and then back in the body shell. Alright, this other place, was it? Yeah. There we go. Right here, right now. Okay. Now for the flash. Okay, this place, good. Another one. A lot of parts in this phone, but I don't know, it's pleasant and calming. Now I need this thing, which goes in right here. This is just for the main board to reach the flash. Yeah. I don't have a name in my mind now. What this thing can be. An extension. Yes, an extension. There we go. Oh, let's not forget about this. Really? It went through? Man, baby girl, what's with you? Yeah, sorry, I felt the need to tell that joke. Okay. Now there's something else that must be put here. Well, besides the antenna, obviously. And of course the buttons. This is the voice command buttons and this is the power button. Now for this part. So the buttons here and stick this metal cover over it back in its place. This is just held in place, glued, that's it. This goes in here, this will go in here. Never mind, now the earpiece. Again with the display. Actually, you know what? I can put it later. Let's go to the main board. Camera. Put the memory card door. Okay. Okay. Put the button. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I knew this was not that original, but it looked better in the pictures. Anyway. Okay. Well, let's put the SIM card in and start it up, shall we? And here is the finished phone. Do I have better buttons? No, I do not, so I have to make do with what I have. Anyway, let's turn it on. Not exactly like how it looks. If the buttons were better, that's the worst part of buttons, dang it. Let's turn it on for now and see how it works. Oh, connects. Let's wait for it to boot up. So let's put the memory card in. Still loading. And yeah, the size look better. Well, scratches on the chrome. Nothing I can do about that. Okay, it works. What's up? Ew. What the heck? Huh? Come on, man. This thing has problems. New. I do have this beat it down one. It works, but still. Well, since we are at that part anyway, let's try to open it up. You know what? I'm gonna try to open up this snapped one, since yeah, it's broken anyway. Oops. So it has two springs like this in the middle. What's the problem? It's a simple mechanism. How can you mess this up? Well, so I have to push hard on it. Okay. Yeah, okay, it works. So I needed to be more brutal. Now it works. Okay. Wanna see something weird? Well, not weird, annoying. 521 talk towers, baby. Yeah. Oop, my phone moved. Sorry, camera. So that's it for this Nokia 6680. It's not bad at the end. If I find good buttons, at least I will change it. If not, I'll leave it like this. So thank you very much for watching. The screen like this. Thumbnail. Yeah, if you enjoyed it and found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.